It's time to get excited about this popular and flexible LENNAR floor plan. A great home, huge pool with paver patio, fenced yard, brand new appliances, and more. Welcome to the gated community of Brookestone. Outside a beautiful large lot with private pool and spa features a home with brand new exterior paint. All tile in the foyer opens up to the formal living room with large glass sliders providing a great view of the pool plus a formal dining room with access to the kitchen. Each of those vast entertaining spaces, in addition to the enormous family room, feature easy maintenance laminate flooring. As a split plan, the first floor master suite offers a pool view along with direct access to the sitting area or make it a nursery or home office. The master bath features double sinks, separate garden tub, and separate shower. An open kitchen with 42-inch cabinets, walk-in laundry room, solid surface counters and built-in desk looks upon the big family room with high ceilings and pool view. The guest area that could also be used as an in-law suite with full bath is perfect for overnight friends or the ideal teenage retreat. Brookestone has 3 gated entrances, community area and tennis courts. The new Winter Garden Hospital, newly refurbished Orlando Hospital and 5 major highways are nearby to Disney in downtown Orlando.